Stud drilling and notching inspection. Drilling and notching studs, that's covered in section R602.6. Tells you how much you can cut without compromising the structure. Here's what I check. Notching limits. Bearing walls and exterior walls, the maximum notch depth is 25% of the stud depth. That's D divided by 4. You got a 2x4 stud on an exterior wall, maximum notch is going to be about 7/8 of an inch deep. Non-load bearing walls get more flexibility. That's 40% of the stud depth. Get the same 2x4, can be notched 1 3/8 of an inch. Boring limits. Maximum hole diameter is 60% of the stud depth. You got a 2x4 stud, that gets 2 1/16 of an inch maximum hole. Holes must be at least 5/8 of an inch from the stud edge. Too close and you weaken the member. Holes and notches can't be in the same section of the stud. One or the other, not both. Now a hole 40% over the stud depth in a bearing wall, that stud must be doubled. And a maximum 2 consecutive doubled studs can have these large holes. So what am I checking? The notch depth with my measuring tape and the hole diameter? I can use a drill bit as a reference. I'm checking distance from edges, overlap between holes, and notches in the same stud. And the common violations? Well, notches too deep in bearing walls, holes too close to stud edges, holes and notches overlapping, and large holes without the doubling of the stud. Metal reinforcements that restore strength can be used when code limits are exceeded, but they must be installed per manufacturer's instructions, alternative to staying within the limits. Why does all this matter? Well, every cut weakens the stud. Exceed the limits and you compromise load carrying capacity, which can lead to wall failure, especially in bearing walls. So my inspection process, look for modifications first. Measure notch depths and hole diameters, check edge distances and overlaps. In my report, document violations. These need correction before the drywall goes up. And the reality is, electricians and plumbers, they sometimes exceed the limits. So you want to catch it early or it becomes expensive to fix later. So we've got the 25% notch depth in bearing walls, 40% in non-bearing walls, 60% hole diameter, 5/8 of an inch from edges, no overlaps.